What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video we have another update on AST Spacemobile, which has taken a slight dip. Yesterday it did hit over $100 and right now trading just below $90. However, it did drop down to 84 late last night. So we'll be going through what is next, why is it dropping. We have new news from SpaceX's Starlink that's gained a lot of traction recently and is giving them the direct and valuation for them to do the same thing that AST Spacemobile are doing, which means again they have competition now, guys. So that is going to really affect the value of AST Spacemobile. And there's other news such as Barclays and UBS, they're both cut ratings, saying that the stock looked overvalued. So that is another reason why it's taking a dip right now. So again, before I go any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And also, for regular updates on AST Spacemobile, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. So at the moment we are looking at the daily chart, and when the crypto was performing well over the last couple of days, I did predict it to take a slight dip because it was constantly staying near the red line here, which means a little price correction would be coming soon, and that is exactly what's happening right now. Again, this is not me saying Spacemobile won't go up. Of course it will. Over the long term it will increase in value. It's looking quite bullish for the long term as well. However, when these news come up and there's updates on it, of course it will have a major impact depending on the news. But when they've got competition that's doing very well, or an upcoming competition like SpaceX's Starlink, then yes, of course do expect this kind of reaction from the crypto itself. So looking at here, as you guys can see here, Barclays slashed its ratings on ASTS by 2 levels to underweight from overweight, guys, while maintaining its $60 price target. While direct to cellular will prove to be a very attractive opportunity and AST has key assets to succeed, the stock's valuation has become excessive, guys. The research firm said in an investor note, according to the summary on the fly. So again, that is essentially what's happening, not just to AST Spacemobile, but other cryptocurrencies like robotics, AI robotics. All of these cryptos are essentially going for a dip, including the crypto market, guys, which is not looking too great. However, investors are reacting to valuation worries, growing competition and ongoing uncertainty about AST's ability to deliver on its satellite plans, because the company, if you look at it, they haven't really made a major profit as of yet. Again, they are a growing company. As I mentioned in my previous video, they are working with the Vodafone India to get this out. But again, competition grows, that's when things start to get a bit tricky. But at the moment, is it a good time to invest into AST? Yes, it is. However, what I would use is something called dollar cost averaging, which I talk about in my crypto videos. Essentially what it is if you want to invest, let's say for example $1,000, I would spread it across 10 days, 10 weeks, however you guys want to spread it across. That's how I would do it. I wouldn't really put $1,000 into it right now, because then I'll get the average. I am predicting AST to drop a little bit further down to the lower 80s, late 70s, so around $78 to $83 before it starts to slowly increase in value, heading over $100 in very late October, early November is what my predictions are. Again, it is the stock market. It could be way quicker than that. That literally can happen as soon as the market opens. It is quite volatile. This specific this specific stock is quite volatile, guys. So make sure you have your risk management on point, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies like this. So again, ASTS, as I mentioned, is not yet generating meaningful commercial revenue, and so the business remains speculative. So again, something like SpaceX's Starlink, they're a very well-known company. You know that they're already out there compared to ASTS, and that's why it's having a major impact on the value of AST Spacemobile at the moment. But what we can do is keep an eye out on the news, what's coming out, what's up to date, and essentially keep an eye on the value of this stock. But that is why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on what to predict, what to expect from the recent news, how that will impact the value of AST. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. Any questions that you guys may have regarding this this stock, let me also know in the comment section down below. But again, As mentioned, to summarize, one big concern is Starlink. SpaceX satellite arm made a strategic spectrum acquisition via EcoStar, which strengthens its direct-to-cell positioning, which is exactly what ASTS are doing, and that is essentially one of the main reason why it has dropped. And again, another reason is Barclays thinking that the crypto is overvalued. We are going through the stock is overvalued. Sorry, so we are going through a stock bubble at the moment, and I am predicting more drops in the crypto market, in the stock market. But again, I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis. Again, for more updates, let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.